Hello and welcome. So you want to drill a hole in concrete, brick, block or stone. You're going to need one of these, a masonry drill bit. For this I'm going to use an old hanging basket bracket that I found in the shed and just line it up into place where you want it, and then with a pencil or a Sharpie or a marker, whatever, just mark where the holes are that you're going to drill. Once the holes are there and you can see where they are, then with a hammer and a masonry nail, just tap on the hole, makes a little indentation, and the drill bit will be able to sit in there without sliding all over the place. So you have your screw and your roll plug. Make sure your roll plug is around the same length as the screw, and then you have your drill bit, and check to see that your drill bit is no wider than the roll plug, otherwise you'll be wasting your time because it'll just slide around in the hole. It's always easier to drill a small hole first, and then you can open it up with the bigger bit for the roll plug to go in, and the roll plug must go in tight. We have the bit in the chuck or the shank, and what you do next then is you'll just measure the size of the roll plug using that as a gauge. Then you can decide that's how deep you're going to go into the wall. And what you can do then is you can use a little bit of tape, insulate tape, wrap it around there, and you'll know how deep you go. There's the drill bit, and there's the roll plug beside it. You can see it's just about right. Now before we drilling, always think safety. Wear safety goggles and earplugs. With it set on hammer action, press it against the hole and don't apply too much pressure as you will burn out the bit. So just lean it against the hole and let the hammer action of the drill and the bit do the rest. Once you have it into the depth you want, then you can change it for the bigger bit and you can open up the hole. Now there's no need to mark it as it'll find the depth. Put the roll plug into place, then with a hammer tap it in till it's fully in. Now we'll just work on the next hole. The holes are drilled here and here. What you do then is take out your drill bit, and if you have a screwdriver attachment and the drilling setting on your drill, then set it to that. If not, then you can use the screwdriver. Offer up the bracket, locate it where the holes are, and put the screws into place. Just start them with your finger and once you have them just biting, then you can start drilling, putting them in. And there we have it. Thanks for watching.